So right, I think I'm gonna shoot off now. So just how it's gonna be. I'm going to stop it. Let me leave my card there. Leave my wallet. So that's that there. Oh, move back a bit. Move back. Move back. Move back. Move back. Move back. Okay, so then you come here. I'm on 96% charged. It's taking what, an hour? Taking like an hour 27 minutes. Yeah, 96%. Now to stop it, I'm gonna press stop, and then that is stopped. I stop here on 96. It's gonna tell me how much I've. It's gonna tell me how much I have to pay. I said okay. It's giving me instruction to take it out. Okay, there. Right. And then I take this out. Yes. Put it back. Yeah, that's how you charge complete, and then present card. My card is on there, and then it'll tell me charge authorization successful. Your charging session will now begin. No, no, check the condition. I'm stop that. This. Okay. So anyway, this is me doing it again. I don't want to charge again. I'm already got my charge. So that's how you do it. Roughly, I'm gonna check my account to make sure it's not more than usually about 40 quid, 35, 40 for a full charge. So yeah, guys, I gotta fly now. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, let's see how far I've gone. Now it's 94%. That's what I've got. See, so far I've got like 48.52 kilowatts, and yeah, that's how you read it. So it's gonna come to roughly, I don't know. Yeah, maybe about 40 quid or so. Yeah. So I think I'm probably will pull the plug on 94. I'm gonna go up and come back down. And then that's when I'll yank it off. Yeah. So I'm going to go off this. What's the matter? Are you okay?
I'm okay, thank you.
Sure, why are you crying?
I promise I'm okay.
You sure? Okay, so I'm going back up and then get my final shot. Okay, so this is this is my electric car garage experience. Yeah, this is the before cut. Yeah. Yes, Baba, you still here?
I'm here, bro. I'm not going nowhere.
No?
Well, you didn't feel me.
Yeah.
When you want
Plug in.
Vlogging YouTube.
Yeah, man.
What you
Let me give you, man. You have to subscribe right now, though. Show me your phone.
no.
Show me your. Come on, man. Come on.
What
We
do
split.
you do? What do you do?
We split. Travel content.
Travel content.
Yeah.
I don't get to travel, bro.
That's all right. I'll pay for your traveling. You come with me one day.
Where are you going?
Actually, next month I'm off to 5 countries.
Is it?
Yeah.
Eniboyme.
Yeah, that's my YouTube, and I'm on TikTok. I'm on the whole lot. All right, Chief. Is that mine? Sorry.
It's nearly finished. Yeah.
Alright.
Next time. I'll
Alright.
check you out when I'm singing the coach. If you like it, I'll subscribe.
Oh, come on, man. Just subscribe and write something so I know it's you.
People get notifications.
So, of course you're gonna get in for something. I'll get you a ticket. You can go come travel with me to Brazil.
Is it?
Little Brazilian babes, man. Rockefeller, baby. Let's go and rock it over there.
Well,
We
you're
go.
not filming right now, are you?
No. I need to. So anyway, yeah. I'm gonna try and demonstrate to you how I'm charging my car. So what it is, I did one of the charging stations, as you can see. This is only mainly for electric cars. So I'm going to try and give it all this. This is like a electric car charging stations. Yeah. They start building something like this all over the country. Yeah, this is quite a big one, massive. Yeah, you got Tesla has their own charging stations there, as you can see, only for Tesla cars. Yeah, but yeah. Anyhow, so I was saying, so I'm going to try and give you an update on the maintenance cost and the benefits, the pros and cons of driving an electric car in London, at least specific to UK anyway. So this is what happens. I'm going to try and show you what goes on. You got the plugs there, yes, and then I've got the front of my car out of this tube. I'm looking for a fast charge. What's this one? Let's see what's that saying. Contactless cards. Okay. Is it fast charge actually? Let's see this one. Yeah, that'll do. I'll plug this one in. I'll use download if you want. Okay, now see that. See the cost. Yeah, it's giving you 79p per kilowatt. Yeah. So clean that up. Stick that in there. Yes. Now you just follow the instructions on the screen. Please present your card payment method to commonplace reader. Here you go. So let me grab my card. Let me grab my card. Where's my wallet? Oh, okay. So now I'm going to touch it with my card. Yes, touch that. Like that. That's one. Yeah, also allow you to download an app to do it. Download an app. Yeah, that's it basically. That's how you change your electric car. Yeah, and that's the cost. Usually I'm paying about, by the time everything is done, I'm expecting it to be about £30 or so, 35. Yeah, and look, they got a special place for disabled electric cars there, the one in blue. That blue paint on the floor is for disabled cars. Yeah. And then you got people who just come here, pay their thing, van also included. Yeah, it's an interesting phenomenon. But like I said, in my opinion, I don't think electric cars will phase out petrol. I doubt it because of the cost. The cost, it will not allow that to happen unless the electric car can be much cheaper than what it is, and we are only just beginning. So I don't know how that's gonna pan out in the next few years. Alright, gents, so yeah, this is me giving you some more details on the electric car experience. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next video soon. Ciao.